Just going over how to manage settings. This will help the user to change the background color, footer, and logo area. First, they have to sign into the site. Once they sign in, they can click on Settings in the dashboard. Now, it's going to be a subtle change as far as the logo goes. The colors will not be subtle, just to show. You'll notice this logo has just one line of text. So at this point, there are no settings, but the default, so they can customize settings. We'll see in a moment that will change as well. So they can give a site name. Due to design reasons, I'm not quite sure where that should show, but it's just it can show anywhere. They can change the color on the top, and here's where things can get ugly. They can do whatever they want to the top area, right up there. We're trying to preserve the content area, but they can tweak that to their heart's desire. Let's see. Just keep it simple. Okay. They can change the footer area. The footer is down there. So they can do that. And then they can change the overall background. They want to make it black. And then I just have an example footer thing. They can, put anything in the footer. In this case, I just want to throw in some typical stuff you would do for social networking. And then they can upload a logo. And it will just have a slight difference, example selected text. Click create. And now we've gone from a clean, consistent, branded site to a custom site. And the colors are what they are. Logos there, colors here, footer text is here, and then you see the social icon footer area under here. And then when they, so next time they go to settings, not only do they obviously see their settings to begin with because they changed the whole site, but when you go to settings, it just shows them an overview of what their settings are.